issue is vendor autoload failed to open Steam. Vendor autoload failed to open Steam. That means there is not install the composer. So firstly you have to install the composer. So I am installing. So I go to the file. This is our location, the website. Then I click here the composer install. So composer is installing now. So when it is installed, so it will be automatic solution to be open this issue. So our application root is, this is our application root. So there is not vendor located. So when our install it, and this is coming, then vendor is comes from our command. So it is all file comes after install, everything is fine. Failed to open Steam. That means there is no composer installed. So you have to install the composer. So everything will be fine when it is composer installed here.